Hello, I would like to practice a rhythm in 6/8 meter. 6/8 means there are 6/8 notes in one measure, for example here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or their equivalents, for example, 2 dotted quarter notes. Um, so now 6/8 notes in a measure doesn't mean that the eighth note is the beat. Um, for most music that's in 6/8 meter, the dotted quarter is the beat. So we actually have two beats. Now we still count eighth notes, but the beats are on 1 and 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I just count a measure with two dotted quarters, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 6. So the 2 I didn't count because the quarter was still held. Then 4 had the beat, but 5 I didn't count because the quarter was still held. So here I count 1, but not 2 and 3 because the dotted quarter is still held. And then so I count 1 and then 4, 5, 6. And here's again 1, 3, 4. So anyways, it's very interesting when a dotted node has the beat because it divides into three equal note values, the 3/8 notes. That is very different than meters like 4/4, where the quarter is the beat and it divides into 2/8 notes. So such a meter where the beat divides into two subdivisions we call a simple meter, whereby a meter where a dotted note is the beat, that means it divides into three equal subdivisions, we call a compound meter. So meters like 6/8, 9/8, or 12/8 are common compound meters. So anyways, let us start with counting. And now I switched on my metronome on 100, but these are the eighth notes. That means these are the divisions. And in a compound meter, we count the divisions. Like measure 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So when we start with this measure, we only count 1, 4. Okay? Anyways, so let's do this 4 times, this rhythm. And we will hear, when I switch on the metronome, we'll hear 6 clicks, which is one entire measure, and then we will start counting. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6, 1. 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. I made a mistake here, which is easy to do. So we'll start over, but before that, I want to say one other thing. Whenever we have eighth notes and the note that the beat falls on, we emphasize a little bit more. So we count 1, 2, 3. The 2 and 3 I speak more softly. The 1 is more emphasized, and then the 4 is again emphasized. Like in this measure, in the third measure here, we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we speak the 1 and the 4 a little louder. If we were to clap it, which we will do later, we will clap those notes just a little louder to emphasize where the beat is. So let's do it 3 more times, this rhythm, in terms of saying, counting where the notes are. Again, we'll listen first to 6 clicks to 6/8 notes, which is one full measure, before we start. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4. All right, very nice. So I actually move my foot with the divisions, with the eighth notes, and that's especially important when I clap. Although I could even, when I clap, I want to clap the rhythm, and then I could even count the eighth notes, the consistent eighth notes. But since we have the metronome, I will let the metronome do that, and we just clap the rhythm. So now I can't show with the mouse where we are, because I will clap with you, but try to follow me and look on the screen, so follow with your eyes where the rhythm is, and we'll try to do that 4 times with clapping. And we'll listen to one full measure, that means 6 clicks before we start. Okay, here we go. And again. And one last time. All right. So now I recommend that you practice that rhythm with this video once every day for a week, and then move on to another rhythm. It's perfectly fine to make mistakes. Everybody makes mistakes, so we'll just move on and redo it, so we do it often, so it becomes second nature. And this will help us then performing pieces better, music pieces, when we play them. Okay, have fun practicing. Bye.